Hey Amazon, I pledged to reuse the box which you have sent, and this is the creative piece which I have made out of the box. As I have showed it in the previous steps, this is the final one which I have made. This is the top, which I have cut the cardboard into different shapes and sticked it in a designer shape. And not only the cardboard box, in this I used the plastic container also, in which I potted the money plant. And you could see the main thing, this is the base, this is the base of the creative hanging which I have made. And the most important thing is, these are the different as because as everyone's favorite is this smile symbol of Amazon, because it gives a lot of motivation to everyone, especially to me. If it hangs in the hall or any drawing portion of anyone, as soon as we see this, we get motivated. In addition to this, I have had different emotions like the smiling one, the cool person, then winking eye, and different things which I have attached to this hanging. And uh, once this rotates, it gives a kind of different feel to the drawing room. I pledged to reuse the box which you have sent, and this is the creative hanging which I made out of this Amazon box, which I have showed in a sequence of steps. And that is the top portion, and this is the bottom portion. In this, along with the box, I have used the plastic container also, in which I potted the money plant. This is a money plant holder come hanging and decorative item in the hall. In this, I have used, especially it's my favorite, not only my favorite, everyone favorite is this smiling symbol of Amazon, uh, which gives spread smiles to millions of customers and people across the world. I have used this uh, and hanged it at a different locations into this stand. Along with this, I have used different emojis um, to this. When these all together are joined to this creative hanging, and when it rotates in the drawing hall, or whenever air blows, it gives a kind of a good motivation, and it spreads a lot of joy in the hall. And thank you Amazon, I pledge to reuse the box which you have sent, and thanks to spreading smile to millions of the people across the globe. Hope you like my entry. Thank you very much for this opportunity.